So this is what I've been doing today, is patching these walls. A lot of cracks in them, all the way down. I gotta make some more mud. Actually, I'm gonna go get some more mud tomorrow to go in there all the way up, and I gotta start peeling the ceiling, which goes way up there. I don't know what, 25, 30 feet. You gotta get all that off. Stairwell, whatever. Finish that up, get it looking good, better again. I kind of sort of skim coated this today. Just to see how it worked. This is my trial piece. I know there's spots I've missed, but it's gonna get sanded off, sanded smooth, get it all right so it's ready to be painted. I'm getting all the stuff off of it. Yes, I have gorgeous woodwork in this house. I'll show you that. All my doorknobs are trigger knobs. Door handle doesn't move, just the trigger. It's a pretty cool little thing. But anywho, this is what I'm doing. Anybody does glass, I'm looking to replace that up there. Yeah, I gotta get all that paper off there. Get that light down. Anybody have any suggestions on colors? Let me know. I'm going off-white on the ceiling, and then we're thinking about, I don't know, there's one of those things in there. It looks like about the center one, I can't tell, but it's a honey color. What you think about doing honey color in here? After I get all these cracks, and I got a crap load of work. Anyway, it's coming out all right. Cracks are sealing up. Everything don't look bad. All right, thanks for watching.